Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Land channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Okay, so before we start our conversation, the usual thing that we are doing for the last few months, we let us just honor our subscribers. They are now 5,897 sorry, 5,881 subscribers. Thank you so much to all of you. Okay, so ang ano po natin ngayon, ang didiscuss po natin today is yung with regards to the report din natin po dito sa ating programa. Ngayon, may nabasa po tayo sa isang website na kung kakasuhan nga ba ang Starbucks, Starbucks Philippines. Guys, yung Starbucks po kasi here in the Philippines ay ano po yan, franchise po yan. Meaning to say, ang nagmamayari po ng franchise ng Starbucks here in the Philippines are yung Tantoco family. Yung Tantoco led. Okay, now, ang ano natin dito, si Joey Salceda, yung district representative ng Albay, ay ano po, naglabas po ng issue na kung kakasuhan ang Starbucks. Okay? Yan. Now, ang ano diyan, para hindi kasuhan ay sinasuggest ni Congressman Salceda sa Starbucks to offer a day of free coffee and croissants for senior citizens and persons with disabilities. And then nabasa din po natin na parang nagkaroon daw po ng error sa system ng Starbucks Philippines. Okay, kaya lang po na-picture nga po yan ng isang kaibigan na ano talaga na parang isang food item lang ang para sa mga seniors and PWDs. Now, ang sabi niya kung hindi daw mag-o-offer ng ganon, sabi ni Congressman Joe Salceda ay pwede silang makasuhan ng mga criminal charges. Yung following a controversial discount advisory. Okay? Now, ayun po sinasabi niya, free coffee. So, yan, guys, So sa ating mga sa daddy, sa daddy ko, sa lahat ng mga seniors, pagkakataon yun na ito para magkaroon ng free coffee and croissants to senior citizens and PWDs, parang ano lang to, parang as a compensation for a controversial discount advisory. Okay? Kasi nga guys, yung Starbucks they face backlash for limiting the 20% discount entitlement for seniors and PWDs to one drink only, and food item per visit. Pero sabi ko nga din naman, 'di ba, nung last na diniscuss natin ito for seniors ay baka naman may wisdom din itong mga sinasabi at ini-implement ng Starbucks. Baka concerned sila sa health ng ating mga PWDs and senior citizens. Okay, pero hindi po may batas po kasi 'yon, Yan, may batas po kasi 'yon. Now, yung OM, or yung operations manager ng Philippines, Starbucks Philippines, si Angela Cole, suggests extending discounts but rejects the idea of free meals. Leading Salceda to propose a buy one take two promo. So buy one take two promo for senior citizens and paying customers and PWD customers. Okay? So nagsalita na pala, Nagsalita na pala ang operations manager na walang ganon mangyayari. So tignan natin kung kayang kasuhan ito ng mga private citizens, senior citizens at saka syempre si Congressman Salceda. Anong pala, si Joey Salceda, naging governor din ito ng Albay. Yan. Okay? Now, ang ano po kasi, Rustan Coffee Corporation, siya po ang license operator of Starbucks here in the Philippines. Okay? Sa kanila pinyata yung yung Santos Coffee. So, if I'm not mistaken. Yan. Now, ano naman minsan pag may actually ganito yung papasok dito yung yung competition na may magano parang ICC. I don't know to if ICC yan. Parang parang isang office na with regards to this businesses also. Okay? Yan. Now, yung this Congressman Salceda told the representative of Starbucks Philippines, no, this morning, no, to hold a promo for their senior citizen and PWD customer to pick up for the advisory issued early this month, no? Kasi nagkamali sila no? Nagkamali sila, and then meron pa tayong may signage pa na parang talagang nagkaroon talaga ng parang limitations sa sa mga customers nila, senior citizens, and of course, PWDs. Yan. Okay? Now, nagkaroon pala ng hearing, no? Sabi ni Angela Cole, no, yung operations manager of Starbucks, no, sabi niya sa mga mambabatas, no, sa ating rangal ng mga mambabatas, yung nagkaroon ng joint hearings ang House Ways and Means Committee, House and Means Committee, with the panel of senior citizens and PWDs, no, that the advisory has been taken down and will not be implemented. Pero na-implement na in the past, no, na-implement na, kaya nga nakakaandon. Okay? Alright, now, nag-apologize din naman ang Starbucks, kaya lang, sabi nga ni Congressman, the damage has been done. No? Hindi, wala sinabi ganon. So, parang sinabi niya, yung apology wasn't enough. He suggested having seniors at PWC eat for free the coffee chain branches, but cold bulk at least. Hindi daw pwede yun. I do not know about the libre, but we would be more than happy to extend the discount. Okay, so actually, 20% sa PWDs, 25% sa seniors. Okay? Yung binili nila na plus 1 drink para maalala ninyo, kasalanan ninyo, 1 drink and 1 croissant. No? So, parang nag-ano si Salceda, no? Yan. Now, sabi niya, Salceda mentioned that, parang he will be filing a case, a complaint against Starbucks for violating laws on discounts for seniors and PWDs. Kung hindi gagawa ng paraan ang Starbucks, no, to do something to make up for the discriminatory advisory. Sabi niya, he would not stop, hindi ako titigil, sabi Salceda, hanggat hindi ninyo pagsisisihan yan. Otherwise, we'll just have to go with the natural process, which is to prosecute Rustans Coffee Corporation. Galing lang kami sa Rustans kanina. No, talagang mamahalin yan. No? Anyhow, I want some reaction on your part. Pagsisihan ninyo ang ginawa niyo. Paano ba nila pagsisisihan? Siyempre, it's not, apology is not enough, but also of the, yung ano ba, free coffee, free croissant, standard discount, etc. No? Alright. Now, Rustan Coffee, guys, it's owned by billionaire Tantoco family. No? Daming pagmamayari niyan Tantoco, no? Hindi ko alam kung saan nila din yung Shangri-La, pero Rustan's Coffee, sa kanila yan, Starbucks, Shuttles, etc. Yung ano pa, no? Yung nagbebenta ng mga lakos, so gano'n yan. Yan. Thank you so much, no? Tantoco family, baka naman. Okay? Yan. Now, yun po, no? So, nga po may narinig nga po tayo na dito, kahit ano palang walang limitation pala yan, batas na yan. No? Narinig ko lang yun sa usapan. No? So parang yung 20% discount or 25% discount ay talaga kahit ano yan. No? Kahit anong pagkain yan, kumbaga. As long as it is being ordered by the kasi nagkakaroon naman tax refund. No? So kung may mali po tayo sa ating sinabi, paki-comment lang po dyan sa comment section. Okay? So hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko. Thank you so much. And I want to shout out to all our subscribers out there. Thank you so much. And please to share as well to your friends. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so now so that we can be able to maintain and sustain this channel. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all.